life is boring me to tears. After all these years, no sunshine, no moonlight, no stardust, no sign of romance.
And we won't waste another tear. If you are enough, don't put up with this stuff, don't you do it. If you are to feel, get a check, pay the bill, you can do it.
Tell him to just get out, just look him in the eye and simply shout.
Enough is enough. I can't go on, I can't go on no more, no.
Enough is enough. I want him out, I want him out. I don't know. I've always dreamed of finding the perfect lover.
But he turned out to be like every other man. Our love,
tearing us apart. Enough is enough. I can't go on, I can't go on no more, no.
enough is enough. I want him out, but don't out.
It's enough, it's enough, it's enough, it's enough.
¿Que todavía no te has suscrito al canal de YouTube de Family Duo? ¿Y a qué esperas? Anda, corre y suscríbete.